What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin here. A lot of people are talking about some rumors going on in Dogecoin, so we're going to talk about that today. Remember, though, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside of the description. So let's go over this now. Now with Dogecoin right here, you can see we actually bounced right off of this supply and demand area. So the green areas here show that we have lots of demand in Dogecoin. The red areas show that we have less demand in Dogecoin. Over here, the 24-hour market control is showing that the bears are in control by 80%. And over here, you can see on the bottom on the oscillator, we're actually starting to grow here on an uptrend here. So there's actually positive volume coming in, a lot of buying coming in, but it's at the peak of that volume, which means we're about to go into another downtrend. So yes, the bears are inside of control of Dogecoin by 80% right here. So Dogecoin is slowly but surely going down. Now, something that people don't know about Dogecoin, just like analysts always say, they always say Dogecoin lags in nature. It always lags behind the actual crypto market. Like everything could be doing well inside the crypto market, yet Dogecoin would be going sideways or down. It's just how it happens. Dogecoin goes up in spurs. It doesn't really, gradually go up. It gradually goes down, spikes up huge, gradually goes down, spikes up huge again. That's pretty much how Dogecoin goes. It doesn't do like, Bitcoin and Ethereum and gradually go up. It goes up with the hype. It goes up with the trends on Twitter, on Google. It goes up with everything. Any kind of social sentiment, any kind of trends, it pretty much goes up with trends. So over here, you can see in the last 24 hours, only up 1% in Dogecoin, only down 8% in the last 7 days, only up 6% in the last 14 days, and only up 4% in the last 30 days. So like I said, Dogecoin, it's been pretty stagnant. It lags in nature. Like I said, it doesn't do crazy movements unless it's getting crazy attention. That's pretty much how Dogecoin works. Now, there's a few things that we got to go over here with Dogecoin. So the first thing here, we can see this Dogecoin to look for buyers around the 200 SMA at 25 cents. So that is pretty much where people are looking to buy at, pretty much where we have more demand at. And like you can see with the supply and demand areas here, I showed you that earlier, the supply and demand areas are pretty much at 25 cents. So at 25 cents, there's a lot of demand for Dogecoin, meaning when we hit 25 cents, we'll probably go back on another uptrend here. So that's going to be pretty cool over there. Now over here, you can see Shibatoshi Nakamoto. He actually said, hype doesn't last and it attracts get-rich-quick people who will bail once they get theirs and or when a new hype appears. This is definitely 100% true. And that's kind of the crowd that Dogecoin attracts. It attracts the get-rich-quick people. And then once they leave, the price starts to go down. And that's pretty much what's happening here. We're seeing all the get-rich-quick people leaving Dogecoin and going to other stuff to try to get rich quick, pretty much. So yeah, if you want something to actually be worth more than what is currently worth, add lasting value to it. Hype adds nothing. That's definitely true. Hype does not help anything. It only helps Dogecoin get pumped and dumped. Anyways, Shibatoshi also said, by the way, I have nothing to do with the Sheep project. I made Dogecoin 8 years ago and barely have anything to do with Dogecoin. I removed the contact form from my website as it was getting spammed with people from Sheep community screaming at me about the token. Don't do that. But yeah, he's not connected to Sheep and really not even Dogecoin. He created it, but he has nothing to do with Dogecoin now. But anyways, over here you can see picking momentum around the 200 SMA. That's pretty much what Dogecoin is doing over here. So as of press time, Dogecoin was at 26 cents at the given time of that. And then over here, sheep holders saw how the token hit all-time highs above the 7.0 area threshold. A massive profits were taken pretty much after that happened, and then witnessing a funds moving into Doge that eventually pushed the meme coin to test 34 cents. That's why Doge rose to 34 cents, because the get rich quick people, they left sheep because they made their profits in sheep, and then the get rich quick people put it into Doge, and then they made Doge pump. That's pretty much why it pumps, and that's pretty much how Doge moves. It's always just the hype right now. So currently the Doge price is hovering around the 200 period simple moving average at the H4 chart, where it is previously found dynamic support at the end of October. So Doge could crack 28 cents resistance and then skyrocket us to 32 resistance. After that, will probably follow to 34 cents. But, however, if the 200 SMA, which is a simple moving average, gets neglected by the bears, doors will open for the crypto to reach the support area of 22 cents and then later to 19 cents. Now, if Doge gets rejected at 28 cents, if it does not pass 28 cents and then eventually to 32 and 34 cents, what will happen? Doge risks a price of a flash crash towards 10 cents. So that's pretty much what will happen if we cannot past these levels, because we've been inside this area for too long. So people are probably going to start selling out. And that's pretty much what happens. So we got to get past 28 cents. But still, there's still bullish looks here with Dogecoin. Dogecoin price will skyrocket once it overcomes 30 cents resistance. So it can still skyrocket, but it just has to pass 30 cents. It really has to pass 30 cents. If we cannot pass 30 cents, I would say within the next month, we're probably going to see another dip in Dogecoin, from where I will probably actually buy the dip if I see it. Honestly, I'm praying Dogecoin reaches 10 cents. If Dogecoin reaches 10 cents, I'm going to put so much money in it. Let's just do some math here. If Dogecoin reaches 10 cents, I'm going to take my $1,000 and then I'm going to buy Dogecoin right at 10 cents and get 10,000 Dogecoins. So when it hits $1, I'll have $10,000. Who knows? Maybe I'll have $10,000 by the time it reaches 10 cents. If it reaches 10 cents, because if it does, I'll put $10,000 in it. And then when it reaches $1, I will have $100,000. And that's how I'm looking at it. I'm looking at this, logically. So logically, if it drops, I'm just going to buy the dip. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. I'm just telling you my strategies. And that's pretty much what I'll do if it dips, because I'm long term on crypto. Any crypto I'm buying from this point on, and actually from since a month ago, I'm long term. I'm still holding my baby Dogecoins, still holding Miami coin, still holding other stuff. So all I want to see is for Dogecoin to dip, and then I'll buy that dip. Shiba Inu, if it dips, I'll buy that dip. And then the same thing with Baby Doge. If Baby Doge dips, I'll buy the dip, and I'll keep doing it over and over and over again. But anyways, Dogecoin price at risk of flash crash towards 10 cents. So Dogecoin price recently dropped below a triple bottom pattern on its point and figure chart. The last uptrend angle warns of a steep and rapid move south if buyers don't buy in. So current weakness exacerbated by trading below the 2021 volume point of control. So Dogecoin price shows signs of disappointing bulls who were anticipating an imminent break towards 50 cents. Instead, sellers were able to take control and push Dogecoin below a triple bottom, threatening a return to price levels last traded in April 2021. So Dogecoin price finds sellers in temporary control. So massive sell-off ahead if buyers fail to support Dogecoin. So Dogecoin price has a genuine threat of an imminent flash crash. The bear flag pattern on the 1 cent area, pretty much the 1 cent 3 box reversal point. I don't know much about that stuff, but a Fibonacci expansion drawn from 34 cents to 19 cents shows the 161.8 Fibonacci retracement expansion level is at 10 cents pretty much. And if we go down there, I'm going to buy that dip, like I said. But anyway, sellers may look to capitalize on any weakness that sees Dogecoin drop below 19 cents to target 10 cents. That's why I believe it probably won't reach 19 cents, because people are going to see that. It's like a psychological thing. They're going to see it go below 19 cents and they're going to see that it's at a huge discount, and they're probably going to instinctively go there and buy in on the dip. So, however, if the current columns of zeros were to retrace all the way to 19 cents and dip lower to 17 cents, then a spike pattern will develop, giving bulls an opportunity for a fast mean reversion trade setup pretty much. And on the long side of the market, there's a hypothetical bullish trade opportunity for Dogecoin price. The entry would be a buy stop order at 34 cents, a stop loss at 30 cents, and a profit target at 50 cents. The entry is based on the break of a triple top that would develop if a new X column was pushed to the most recent swing highs. However, if some range trading goes on in the interim and split triple top develops, the entry remains valid. So we definitely have some potential here. I definitely believe we can rise here with Dogecoin from 34 cents and then eventually up. But, it's like a psychological thing. If people see it go below like 19 cents, they're going to start buying in. They're going to start pouring their money into Dogecoin and all that good stuff. But anyways, I don't see Dogecoin going down too low. But let's go over the bulls, because the bulls are making big moves here in Dogecoin, and they're really manipulating the prices. You can see this bull from 109.3 million to 109.2 million. So they lost about 100K doing this little trade here. And they're not the only one that have done that. they're all losing money trying to day trade Dogecoin. Like this one, they just transferred it, and there is pretty much rinsing and washing it, just artificially changing the 24-hour volume, making it seem like it's doing more numbers than it is, to try to make people put more money in it, to try to do day trades and then take people's money out. That's pretty much what they're doing. It's some pretty scammy stuff. Not scammy, but it's schemish. The Dogecoin whales are scheming on your money, trying to take it pretty much. But over here, this Dogecoin whale came in 27.5 million. Now they're at 27.6 million. So they're probably going to end up selling soon. So we're just seeing a lot of manipulation here in Dogecoin price. So the same thing here, rinse and washing, pretty much putting them in, taking it out immediately at the same price. So they're just artificially changing the 24-hour volume. But anyways, this is all I got for you all. Remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. I'm not telling anyone to dump their money into Dogecoin or sell Dogecoin. None of that. I'm just saying what I'm going to do if it dips and what I'll do if it doesn't. But anyways, hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, definitely, if you want these vital algo indicators, definitely check out the vital algo link in the description. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.